We're both here. Getting ready to take that home, just doing some of the paperwork and all that, and that's gonna be it. Out the door we go with it. Wait, I got some more out here. Yep, it'll be fun. Once in a lifetime situation here. Hey guys, well, yeah, it's Friday the 13th. Good luck or bad luck? I don't know, but see what we got here? Now I have something from last year, but now what I have from last year is now this year. 2020 C8 Corvette has made it here in my garage. Drove and picked it up. It was amazing driving it. It was amazing just seeing it and getting in the car and knowing that, hey, the time is finally here. Well, I finally got the C8. Took delivery of the new 2020 Corvette. So just driving it and seeing how it's gonna feel. I'm at a red light right now, so I can't wait to just get out of this traffic. It's crazy, it's ridiculous. And today is it's Friday the 13th. That's supposed to be an unlucky day, Friday the 13th. But for some reason, it's the opposite day for me, because you know, this Corvette came in on time. They had it, they did the PDI, got it over with, and now I'm driving it and headed back, and it's an amazing experience to be in here after following this for the last, since August? That's a long time. That's a long time to be just waiting for this car, and finally it is done. And you know what's great about this? I can see everything. I can see the dash, the screen is so, look at the display here. It's like, look at this. It is incredible. It's like, I don't even have to wear my glasses. I don't even have to wear glasses to see this. So that's what's happening. So driving this back, and I got a lot going on. I'll share with you guys what I'm going to do as far as anything that is, you know, mods or tinting or ceramic films, whatever. You know, I got a lot of projects, and it's going to start on here. So that's what's happening today. Yeah. All right. Yeah. It's been a long journey since August. August is when I put the deposit on it, and then here it is. March, finally made it, and it's just been one long journey, and I'm happy to share this with you guys. You are amazing, and this is something I just feel like I have so much passion for these kinds of cars. It's a hobby of mine, and I just want to show you guys how nicely they've made these cars. And I've seen them before at so many shows, but to see it in my own garage, right in the, oh man, beautiful. I am just, this is not a car show no more. I mean, well, it's not a, what do you call it? I'm not at any event except for in my own driveway. Man, it's crazy. But here we go. I'm just gonna turn on a few things here, and yeah, look at that. Ooh, I should start it. You know, if I want to start it, I need to open the garage so I don't, like, you know, it's not like with the i8, you can start it up. Is it really called starting it? It's like turning it on. You know, you just press a button and it's on. And there's nothing running unless you put it in sport mode, and then of course something will be running, but other than that it's just like battery power. But here we go. Little startup time. Let's do this. So, put my finger on the button right there. This is what we do to start it up. right there. Did you hear that back there? I heard a roar. Yes. And I'm not gonna get crazy with the revs right now. Not a good idea. Like I said, gotta break it in for the first 500 miles. But look, I got 139 miles that I did on it. Oh yeah, 139 miles. So, what do you think, guys? Yeah. Yeah, we got all kinds of fun stuff here. So you got your park, your reverse, of course your neutral, and your drive, and the front end lift. Man, it is fun having that. It really is. It helps. I just went over speed bump, and I was able to use it. But let's give a couple revs. I'm not gonna go, like I said, I'm not gonna get crazy with it. Yeah. Hey, let's see. We're gonna show you some more things here, guys. So, you got the rear view mirror there, which is really cool. And you can turn it off, and it's just a regular mirror. You turn it on, and you got your little screen right there. Of course, your OnStar. This whole roof comes off. So you want to just like feel like you're in a convertible? You can do that. You really can. And for the front end, ow, that hurt. For the front end lift, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna actually press the button, and you can watch it go up. Yeah. And then the trunk, the frunk. Yeah, the frunk. This is crazy. But let's open the frunk. Like, no wait right here. Anybody in there? Nobody's in there. We got a lot of room. There's so much freaking room in there. I'm surprised, you know, considering. So you got your front room, right? You gotta really press that. And then you got your trunk room, right back here. And look at this. Look at all that room. And you got the engine right there, just purred away. Right there. And all that room. And the engine right there. It's like that room right there. You could probably like keep something warm in here, right? Keep your stuff warm. And you know what I discovered? I had the air conditioning on, and the cup holders. The cup holders were keeping things cold. It's like they're refrigerated. I'm like, whoa, are you kidding me? So the cup holders right there were keeping my water nice and cold. It's because they have the air ducting going through there somehow, so I'm guessing it's channeling some air in there. It's like, wow. All right, so let me show you the front end lift. I'm just gonna put this down here somewhere. Front end lift time, right here. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Let's let that jump go. Hey, there you go, and I'm gonna go back down. Look at that. Oh man. You don't have to worry about it no more. Yeah. You don't have to worry about no more hitting the chin right there. No more hitting that chin on the ground. No way. Front end lift takes care of that problem. So this is amazing. I got a lot more to share with you. So as you see, it was just fun just driving it. It was an amazing experience. And I'm gonna do a lot of things with this car, and I'm gonna share with you guys. And of course, I'm gonna have all kinds of other content mixed in. It's not gonna just be all about the Corvette. And, you know, maybe a little bit, but it's gonna be about this and about that. And a lot of other things going on in my life. And yeah, speaking of crazy things, I went to the grocery store because Brianna wanted some toilet paper and paper towels and a few other things. And I swear, the zombie apocalypse is here. The friggin' zombie apocalypse has come. It's arrived. There's nothing left. There's no toilet paper, there's no paper towels, there's no more, there's barely any cereal left. Did I miss something? Something's going on. Yeah, and I know what it is, but I'm not gonna talk about that right now because that's just a whole other thing. I don't want to contribute to the scare, but yeah, it's crazy, guys. I just hope it all works out. I hope things get better. But anyway, all the fun stuff right here. You got your selector. Look, change that right there. Watch what happens to the display. We're gonna go to, now we're in track mode. Oh boy, look at that screen, look at that, oh boy. That's some serious stuff. That is some serious stuff. And we're gonna switch it over, move it. Let's go to another mode. So go back over to that sport mode right there, so you see how sport mode is. Now I'm gonna go over to the next mode. And here we go. We got some good old touring. And the my mode, you can customize it, so you can adjust all the different parameters. You can customize the engine sound, shifting, all those things, and have your own setting, which is nice. And there's so many different features that I would love to share with you on here. You got so many buttons here. It'll take you time to get acquainted with things. You're gonna like trying to figure some things out. You know. Eventually, you'll get the hang of it. You'll get the hang of it. You know, you'll be like, okay, which side is what? And then all of a sudden you feel cold air coming out, and it's like, my ass is feeling cold. Oh, no wonder I got the seat ventilation going on. All that stuff. So I'm gonna shut this off. I need, you know, I try to be like environmentally friendly. And that's why I don't really drive a whole lot of like distances in cars like these. This is kind of like a weekend thing. You know, if I'm going to do a lot of driving, it's going to be next door, right there. It's going to be the one. It's going to be right there. Energy efficient, green, environmentally friendly. But if you don't get down on these things, it's not that bad. But if you start like taking off really hard and doing a lot of fun stuff, because that's when it's really fun, then you know you're just using up a lot of gas. But once in a while, I mean, you gotta have fun. You know, you just can't have something like this and not have fun with it, right? If it's sitting in the driveway, you need to have fun with it. Otherwise, what is it? Just a piece of art, just for visual purposes? It's a piece of art for many different reasons. And did I leave something open? So it's a visual art, and it's just the whole entire package. It's everything. It's beautiful. I love it. And like I said, I have a passion for these things. But anyway, you guys are amazing, and I just thought I'd share this with you guys. It's beautiful out here. The weather is so nice. It's so warm. I feel like summer is coming here quicker than normal, and I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I'm not sure. Kind of wondering what the catch is. But yeah, that's it on that. Yep, and Brianna's birthday. Yep, it's gonna be a big party and all that stuff. A lot happening. A whole lot happening, guys. But that's it. Take care.